and that's the reason I left it up, because it's easier to get access to it now.
Oh darn, it was on my mind now. I gotta think of what it was.
Okay.